Warning, the following video contains strong language. Please be advised.
Now first, you put the stove on the high heat. You spray the vegetable oil into the pan and you put the steak in the pan. You poke a little bit of the hole so the blood drain. You flip evenly because, yes, you flip it evenly. Now when it starts to get a little brown, you turn the heat down to a 4 maybe. Then you take the knife and you chop the onion and the garlic. Yahoo! Then you pick up the pan and do this shit because it makes you look cool. I'm a cook. Woohoo! Then you put the spices in. First you put in the Italian blend. Then you put in the basil. Then I guess a little bit of oregano. Then you put in the grilled meats Montreal steak. Oh fuck, I put it too much. I hate my life. Then you put in the garlic. No, the fucker you don't. You have real garlic, you fucking degenerate. Then you smack the steak with your hand. A stupid steak. Oh fuck, I burnt my hand. Don't do that. Then you flip the steak. Then you put all the fucking spices on the other side of the steak. You idiot. Then you poke a lot more of the holes. I fucking hate you. Then you forget that you're cooking a steak and you go into the bedroom and you lie down and you take a nap. Shit on my steak! Then you master the whole server. I'm a god. Then you snort the vapor. Then you cut the steak open to make sure it's not pink on the inside. Maybe if you like it medium rare, you can have a little bit of pink, but don't eat the fucking raw steak. If it's still too pink on the inside, you want to turn the heat down a little bit more, and then let the heat go to the middle too, so it cooks it evenly. Then at some point, you're gonna want to take the garlic and the onion, and you fucking pour the shit in the shit. Oh my god. It won't get off the plate, you motherfucker. Then you do the cool cooking thing again. Wahoo! Now once you make sure it's fully cooked on the inside, or however you like it done, you turn the fucking stove off. Then you put it on the place, and then you eat the fucking steak. Look at how perfectly cooked it is. I'ma try a piece. Holy shit, it's so fucking good.
Thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Shredder36. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more content like this. Please like and subscribe!